Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial number 120, and in this tutorial I have modeled this part with respect to this isometric drawing, and this is a very simple tutorial designed for the beginner user, those who have just started learning the part modeling. So I will close this file and create a new file, and will show you from the scratch how you can model this part. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new file, and first thing which I will do is to activate my part design workbench, and I will create a body, then create a sketch, and we will study our part. So if you see our parts, so this is the base sketch. So for this we will select a top plane, and we will create a rectangle, and in this rectangle we will delete this line, and we will create an approximate profile. So first I will select this line and add a vertical dimension of 150, and select this horizontal line and provide the horizontal dimension of 60. And now we will use the polyline tool to create a rough profile. So I will select this polyline tool and create a line, select it and join it, and we will make this horizontal. And now I will select this line and provide the vertical dimension of 45 mm. Select this and this point and add a dimension of 26, and select this horizontal line and provide the horizontal dimension of 30 mm. Select this line and provide the vertical dimension of 25. So here is our sketch is fully constrained, and we will come out of it, and we will create a pad of 10 mm. Click on the uncheck this reverse and click on OK. And now we will select the bottom face, and we will add the material. So I will select the sketch and click on project geometry, select the edges, and click on the rectangle tool, and select this line and these points and add a coincidence. Select this line and this point and add a coincidence. Click on close, and we will add the material of 10 mm. Click on extrude, and here is my dimension 10 mm, but this seems to be two separate plates. So we will select on the last feature, go to the refine and set it true. Now press 0 for isometric, and we will create a new feature which will be this plate. So we will select this face and click on the sketch, switch to the isometric, click on the project geometry and project this edge, and from here we will switch to the wireframe, select the line and create an equal line to the projected one. And now we will select a line tool and create a rectangular profile, and we will deactivate the conflict. And now we will select this line and add a vertical dimension of 40 mm. Click on close, press V7 for the shaded view, and we will add the material of 10 mm. Select it and click on reverse, click on OK, press 0, and here we will refine the shape. Select the pad and click on refine, set it true, press 0 for isometric view. And now we will create this plate. So for this we will select this top face and click on the sketch. We will click on this edge and project it, and select a rectangle tool and create a rectangle, and we will project this edge and move to the top. Select this point and add a vertical dimension of 25 mm, and select this and add a horizontal dimension of 10 mm. Now we will close it. Select the sketch, click on extrude, select the reverse, and from here select up to face and select this face, click on OK, select it and refine, set it true. And now we will create a triangular profile to remove the material. So we will select the face and click on the sketch, click on project geometry to project these two edges, and we will also project this edge and switch to the wireframe. And here I will select a line tool and create a triangular profile, and select on the conflict and deactivate it. Select horizontal dimension, select this point and add a dimension of 45, and here select this point and click on the merge, and here we will deactivate it. Our sketch is fully constrained, and we will select the sketch, click on the pocket, say it true all, say OK. Now we will add material at this portion. So for this we will select the face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, and we will create a circle, and this is of diameter 32. Select diameter and provide it 32, and here we will select a line tool and go to the trim it, and let's deactivate it. So we have a fully constrained sketch. We will close it, select the sketch, click on the pad, click on the reverse, from here select up to face, and we will select this back side of a face, and here we will refine our shape. Select it, go to refine, set it true, press 0 for isometric. And now we will remove the material. First material which will be removed is to create this slot. So we will select the top face and click on the sketch, and we will select a rectangle tool. First we will project it, select rectangle tool and create a rectangle. Delete this vertical line and select this 3-point arc and create one arc. Select this and add a tangency. Select this and add a tangency. and now add the horizontal dimension of 10 mm, and this slot is of 12 mm, and now let's see what is unconstrained is this position. So for the position we will select this point and add a vertical dimension of 6.5. click on close, select the sketch, click on cut, and from here say it true all, say OK. Now we will create this hole, so we will select the face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry and project this radius, so we get a center point. Select the circle and select diameter, give the diameter of 18 mm, click on close, select the sketch, click on cut, from here say it through all, and now we will create this hole. So for this we will select the face and click on the sketch, create a circle and project geometry and project this edge, select this point and add a horizontal dimension of 25 mm, and select this point and add a vertical dimension of 15 mm, and let's constrain this diameter which is of 18 mm, click on close, click on cut, say it through all. So this whole features can be made with a hole wizard tool here, but I have used the pocket tool because these are the simple holes. And now we have successfully converted this isometric drawing into the 3D model in FreeCAD with the help of part design workbench. Now I will go to the appearances, go to the shape colors, and I will provide the approximate color. Click on OK, click on close, press 0. So this is how we have did the part modeling in FreeCAD part design workbench. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and this tutorial is designed for the beginner user. If you like this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also support me on coffee.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.